Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can have the legend here in our pie chart. So we discussed so far that we can have the sizes, the sections, the colors, and the explode. We discussed that, for example, in this example, we're having the explode of the slice D. And now we would like to have the legend. Because we are having the labels here, for each section, we can have the legend as well. So we are having, for example, our color. The red color is A, the blue color is B, etc. until the end. We can have the legend function, the title, and the location. So here I put it to be lower left. I can have the lower right, for example. So this is lower right. We can have upper right. We can have it to the upper right and also upper left. So this is how we can position our legend. And also here is the normal situation for our pie chart, but there is a possibility so that we can rotate our pie chart. So when I run the code now, we see that it has changed. So it is rotating 90 degrees. Okay, 90-degree, it has been rotated now. So in order to do that, we simply need to have this keyword and then put the amount that we want to rotate. For example, now 90 means that 90 degrees it has rotated. And in this video, first of all, we learned how to choose the location for our legend. And also we learned that we can have the rotation of our pie chart. Thank you for watching.